As with any major conversion, there's always concern. There's always the nerve-wracking feelings of what's going to get missed, what's not going to convert over, what's going to change. How are we going to learn this software? It's going to be so difficult. The last time we did it, it wasn't smooth, the transition wasn't good. I have to tell you, when we first started communicating with the people at Curve, it was just mind-blowing, because they said, you know what, we're going to hold your hand, we're going to train you, we're going to train your team, everything's going to happen before you do anything, and you're going to have time to practice on the software. And we were able to get our whole team together and do small bits of training, hour, 2 hour, 3 hours at a time, over the course of a few weeks before the final upload occurred. And then after that, it was the first week, and everybody's like, oh my gosh, we're going to be so nervous. The first day we're coming in, oh my gosh. And within 2 hours of the first day live, I had hygienists coming up to me. They're like, I love this software. This is amazing. The doctor loves this software simply because it makes her treatment planning so much smoother. The ability to enter treatment plans is, anyone can do it, because all of the coding is there, your pricing is there, everything is ready to go.